Welcome to yet another new series. In this series, you will learn onomatopoetic phrases in Japanese. In this introduction video, you will learn what onomatopoeia is and how it is defined and used in the Japanese language. The word onomatopoeia comes from Greek and it derives from the word that means word or name and the word that means to make. Onomatopoeia usually refers to a word that imitates the sound of an object or an animal. For example, meow in English is the sound a cat makes, and bang can be the noise of a gun being shot. In Japanese grammar, onomatopoeia or onomatope is usually divided into the following two categories, namely Gyango and Gitaigo. The first category, Gyango, literally means imitate sound word. So Gyango are words that imitate the sounds of animals, objects, and so on. The previous examples from English belong to this category. In Japanese, cats say nya, and guns make all sorts of different sounds, such as bang, pang, dong, and bakyun. The second category, Gitaigo, on the other hand, will be unfamiliar to speakers of many other languages. Gitaigo literally means imitate state word, so Gitaigo are words that express certain states as well as emotions. The main difference from Gyango is that concepts expressed by Gitaigo do not produce any sounds in reality. For example, Kirakira is the Gitaigo that expresses the way in which an object shines. Light, as you should know, does not make a sound. The closest English equivalent would be twinkle. In fact, the first two lines of the famous song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in Japanese is Kirakira hikaru osora no hoshi yo, and the song itself is called Kirakira boshi. Another example of Gitaigo, kuyo kuyo, expresses the way in which a person is dwelling on a small problem and feeling miserable. This word describes what is happening inside a person's mind, so there is, of course, no actual sound involved. The closest English equivalent of kuyo kuyo suru would be to dwell on something, to worry about something, and to brood over something. An example sentence using kuyo kuyo would be kuyo kuyo shita tte rachi ga akanai. Things don't progress if you are just dwelling on old problems and making yourself miserable. Hopefully you now understand the difference between Gyango and Gitaigo. This is the end of episode 0, the introduction video. The rest of the series will introduce different Gyango and Gitaigo. See you next time.